Hi everyone, welcome back to the Guide Up YouTube channel. Today for this video of Guide Up, I will be showing you how to recover Spotify account password. Now to begin the process, open a Google browser on your PC, click open a new tab. There on the search bar type in spotify.com, press enter. You will be directed to the official web page. Here on the official web page, you click on sign in or log in on the top right corner. Now to begin the recovery process, you need to click on forgot your password over here. Click that. To begin the process for recovery, you type in the email address of yours. And then click on send. They'll send an email to recover the account password of yours. So you need to go and check your Gmail. Click open new tab and type in gmail.com. There's this Spotify mail on the top. Click that. And here you need to click on reset password. Click upon that link. With that, you will be directed to this Spotify web page where you will be able to provide a new password for the account. Now type in the new password. Retype the same password as above for the confirmation. And then click on send. This will update your password. So this is how you can recover your Spotify account. Now if you go back and type in into the account, you will be logged in into the account as well. So this is how you can recover the Spotify account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Guide Up YouTube channel. Thank you.